On today's video, you're gonna see the 4 items I always carry on my bike come to the rescue. It was just gonna be a day trip, maybe a 150-mile round trip. There was 4 of us riding, me, Ronnie the neighbor, Kevin, and Ronnie's buddy George. We were about 50 miles into the trip when something was obviously wrong with Ronnie the neighbor's bike. No matter how long or short of a ride I'm taking, I always carry these 4 items on my bike. A multi-tool, an air compressor, a tire kit, and a battery jump box. It's kind of rare to catch these things on camera as they actually happen. I noticed Ronnie was giving me a wave, and to be honest, I didn't know that something was wrong with his bike. I thought he just wanted me to pass him and take the lead. And it wasn't until I passed this little turnaround here on the left-hand side that I saw Ronnie had pulled off, and I knew something was wrong. Ronnie actually got a flat on Clinton Road, which I did a video on a few months back. It's infamous for being haunted, murders, cult gatherings. I'm damn glad we broke down here in the daytime. It's also nothing but blind curves for 16 miles.
We may have to do a tire repair.
Never know what you're gonna get.
Okay, you're on camera, dude.
Yeah, keep going. Bring it back. Come on.
It went down quick, man.
Wait a minute, there it is. You're gonna need more than a fucking tire repair kit.
What's that?
You're gonna need a tire.
I got a.
Is it real big?
Yeah.
Like I said, it went down quick.
At this point, yeah, I guess we're gonna have no
straight
choice.
out though, Joe. Just come straight.
It's easy to say that. All right.
Making progress on it.
There it goes. You want to pull it out?
Yeah, might as well.
Careful.
There it is.
No good.
So is it 2 points that was in there? 2 points?
Well, you might be able to plug it. I mean, at least plug it a little.
Save that as a souvenir. What the fuck is that?
What is that fucking thing?
Holy shit.
Looks like a fucking wrench that you'd get at the dollar store.
All right, then I'll do this. You do that, go ahead. Nothing?
You ever try it?
Oh! All right,
That might reach.
you right?
Just get the plug in there either way.
All right, let's get the plug in there. Let's start there. Clinton Road. Clinton Road. Bad luck, Clinton Road.
I'm sorry.
What'd you plug it into?
My battery.
Oh, okay, good.
See what happens? Somebody holds this. Hold what?
All right, take your time.
All right, hold on.
There's a hole in the top. It's not leaking. Look, cross your fingers, Ron. Right now, it's not leaking.
What's your showing? Low pressure. All right, so low pressure, protected.
Where do you see the actual number, bro?
Oh, so it's up to 25. Awesome. Fucking working, man. Yeah. 37. What do you want, 40?
Yeah, because it's going to leak, so I'm going to lose it.
Yeah, I'm trying to get you.
When you get,
I want to get out of here as quick as
I was gonna say, yeah, when you get this off, just go, and I'll meet you back in the head.
Gotta fucking turn around.
Yeah.
Fucking nightmare, dude.
You're gonna go 23 to where? So I can make sure I follow you. Make sure if you break down again. You're gonna take 23 to
Probably up to like where Brick and Brew is, maybe, because that way there's gas
Ogdensburg?
stations. You know
Okay.
what I mean?
So when you take off, I'll go that way.
Take your,
Yeah, well, you're not done yet. You got 40 now. Yeah, just,
So the multi-tool, air compressor, and tire kit did their job, and we were able to ride the 50 miles back to Ronnie's house. Let me also say that this will not work for a tube tire, but my buddy Gary did have success with a can of Fix-A-Flat with a tube tire, so that's a possibility. So I highly recommend having some of these emergency gear items on your bike. If not, have either AAA or AMA or a credit card. So that's it for this one. As always, if you'd like to support this project, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.